Snipe Squad, what it going on, boy? I'm talking about on. It is your boy Snapper Jones, and welcome back to another video. If any of you guys are new to the channel, you gotta make sure you hit that sub button, boy. We need those. We grinding on the road for 10K. Today's video is on the pickup of the Michigan 12 PEs. This shoe was something I saw a while back, even made a earlier video. If you haven't seen that, click that link right there, check that video out. But basically how I was saying that the shoe is pretty dope. PSNY type vibes, man, very good suede on the uppers, and all in all, I think it's a cool shoe. But I am an Ohio State fan, which means I can't really have this shoe in my collection and just be proud, bro. This shoe was surprisingly way more limited than I thought. I actually hit for a pair, bro, off waitlisted. I was waitlisted, and then that waitlisted actually turned up being a live pair. The reason why I think it was more limited is because I seen so many people striking out. Not a lot of people hit for these. So with that being said, even though this shoe is pretty limited, I would say like the demand for it is low because there's not too many Michigan fans. A lot of stores got them, but I know for sure a lot of stores didn't get a lot of stock sizes. But anyways, boy, I'm about to go ahead, head to the mall, bring it back because I got a lot of stuff to do today. This time I woke up early, so I'm about to hop in the whip. See y'all in a second. Yay. So I just want to briefly talk about the NBA draft for a second, even though it's totally out the blue. I'm from Cleveland, bruh, and I wanted Trae Young. I wanted Trae Young so bad. I honestly thought if Trae Young was to go to the Cavs, we could possibly have a chance in the future. A lot of people think Trae Young is going to be a buzz. He's going to be the next Jimmy Fredette. He can only shoot. He's too small. Listen, the way the game is being played, if y'all haven't noticed when y'all watch the draft, the first 10 selections, if you take out Trae Young and Colin Sexton, there was nothing but positionless players, which means small forwards at 6'8", 6'7", even 6'9", who can play the 2, the 3, and the 4, maybe even the 1. Nothing but bigs, man. And that's just a reflection on what you got in the NBA right now. You got guys like Lonzo, 6'6", pure point guard. Dudes like Ben Simmons, 6'10", pure point guard. KD, who's literally 7 feet. I know the scouting report says Kevin Durant is only 6'10". He's tall as Anthony Davis. Look it up on Google. They're looking each other in the eyes. He's taller than DeMarcus Cousins. But the good thing is I still get to see Trae Young, though, because I live in Atlanta, and Atlanta drafted him. So I guess that was like second best choice. Do I like Atlanta? No. Do I hope the Hawks win 30 games? No, I don't care what the heck they do because that's not my team. But I hope they trash so I can get some cheap tickets to see my boy Trae Young.
Talking to myself that I done really nigga hood. Had to see my people down, and that's the only thing I feel. I've been looking for the truth, should've been looking in the mirror. To my white girl I'm cut, and she think that I'm just weird. I ain't never get no love, so I find that shit weird. And I gotta taste the love, and it always taste like beer. Always put me on my rear, but I think the devil here, and he's standing on my shoulders trying to whisper in my ear.
Alright, so we just got up to the mall, and as soon as you walk in, there's a Foot Action. That is the store where I hit for my pair, the Foot Action. I'm not sure how cool they're gonna be having me record. Usually I'll be cool recording the Foot Action, but it's like throughout the rest of the mall, everybody be tripping. So, like I said, man, my pair's confirmed. I'm about to go in here and pick them up. I'm gonna see if like the camera work cool. I might try to ease it in just a little bit. I ain't just gonna walk in like this. Hey, how you doing?
Last night, I think I lost my faith.
Family on their own.
Thank you. Easy, man. Pick up complete. Got my pair, y'all. As y'all can see, Michigan 12. This is crazy because I've seen some early reviews, but I'm kind of surprised that they come in the same box that the Jeter Lowe's came in. Super dope box. I'm not sure how many releases they're gonna do like this with the box like this, but I'm a fan. I didn't like how they did the last shot box, even though everybody was saying they didn't go all in on the box of the last shots because they thought they was gonna sit. But I still think with an iconic shoe like that, you gotta do something more than just an all black box. Come on, Jordan, bro, you could have did way better than that. So the lady at Foot Action said these were pretty limited. It had 2 pair in each size. So that's super lucky, like super lucky. And remember, I was waitlisted and wound up hitting for a pair that was waitlisted. So you know we're going on with. Now I want to head to Foot Locker, and I didn't hit at Foot Locker, but I want to see that they have any more pairs than Foot Action. Because usually Foot Locker get more than Foot Action because they got a house of hoops. So I'll let y'all know when I get there. Foot Locker said they actually got 3 pair in each size. So like I said in the beginning of the video, the level of exclusivity depends on the city that you're in. Here in Georgia, 2 pair in each side of the Foot Locker. I'm sorry, 2 pair in each side of the Foot Action, and 3 pair in each side of that Foot Locker. And they already going up on StockX. I think right now my size they're like 325 on StockX, which is crazy. I'm not really a huge fan of selling on StockX just because of the simple fact they take out like $25 every time you sell. Or I guess like the more you sell, the less they take out, but I ain't really a fan of that. This is a pair that you slept on, you're probably gonna regret it later on. It's a little windy out, so I don't want y'all to be all muffled. So I'm gonna just catch up with y'all when I get back to the crib and show y'all what these things looking like, boy. Cause I'm actually super excited, man, because that material look buttery soft, man. And I can't wait to get my hands on that.
A few moments later.
Alright guys, we are back at the crib, man. Like I said, this shoe is a lot more limited than a lot of people thought they were. So let me know down below in the comment section if you were able to get your pair. Right off the bat, what I see by the box is they did it just like they did the Jeter Low. And I never seen a Jeter Low box. I always just seen the shoe. So this box is super, super dope. I love the nostalgia that comes with it. When you're a collector, you care about boxes. If you don't collect, then you probably don't care about the box, so whatever. But I'm just about to show y'all a quick overview. I'm gonna probably do a review later, if that, because I told you I'm selling these. They actually already sold. I just gotta wait to give them off. But this will be my first time seeing these, bro, and I'm super excited. Actually, I might be the most excited out of any sneaker this year, just because my expectations of this material is like through the roof. Wow, here they are, man. The Michigan 12 PE. Right off the bat, let's be honest. It is not what I thought it was gonna be. This material is not what I thought it was gonna be, bro. I'm not gonna hold you. It's not bad though. It's not a bad material, but it's definitely not as good as I thought it was gonna be. For some reason, when I seen the early reviews, when I was watching either my boy Unbreakable, I think he had like the first PE, the PE that we won't be able to get. I think that was the one that collabed with PSNY. This one is more just like a soft suede, don't get me wrong, but it's definitely not how the pair he had was. It's definitely not. I thought it would be a little bit closer. Yeah, and the one that he had also had like the hang tag and everything. It's not a bad pair, but I am happy that I'm selling these, I'm not gonna lie. Super dope though if you're a Michigan fan. Like I said, I'm from Cleveland, so I'm an Ohio State fan. Can't have this in my collection because that's just faking it, bro. What I can say I love about this shoe is how you see the M on the right shoe. You know what I'm saying? Like on the tongue, that's pretty dope. And then you got the Jumpman on the other side. The bad thing is though, it's just kind of boring. These also my high school colors, bro. Like these are my high school colors. So I wish these would have came out when I was in high school. I probably would have hooped in these for sure. I'm not gonna lie, this up close and personal look just kind of really changed my opinion. It got the word Jumpman on the shoelace tips, which is a dope touch. And I'm happy to let these go, but I definitely would have hooped in these in high school. Like, there's no question. Let me know once again how y'all feel about these Michigan 12s. If it was up to me, I would definitely pass on them. That's why I'm passing on them. But a lot of y'all Michigan fans out there, or a lot of y'all just like the colorway or just want to put a sneaker like this in your collection. What I can say is, if you do have this shoe, keep in mind, I doubt that they re-release a sneaker like this or even recreate. So if you have this shoe and you want it for your collection, I think it's a great idea because they're not gonna make a shoe like this at all. Also, look forward to that unboxing that I got coming soon, bro. I got some heat that I want y'all to see. So if you're not already subscribed, hit that subscribe button. Also, hit the notification bell so you know exactly when I'm dropping this heat, boy. Here go that box I was telling y'all about. Took about 2 weeks to get here, and I'm pissed because the shoe came out before my box got here. I ordered it early. I ordered this shoe early. Paid extra to get it early, and I got it 2 weeks after it came out. So I'm very pissed off. But unboxing coming soon. Subscribe if you want to see what this is because it's some heat. Like I said, happy Saturday. And I'm out. Gang gang.
They gon' love me for my ambition. Easy to dream a dream, but what's harder to live?